In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents to DocuSign. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily and efficiently upload your documents for signing. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your homepage on DocuSign. Once there, you'll see several options, but what you want to focus on is the Start button. Alternatively, you can go to the Agreements section where you'll find an option labeled Start Now. Clicking either of these will get you started with the document upload process. This part of the procedure is straightforward and sets the stage for the next steps. Now let's talk about uploading the documents themselves. You have two choices here. You can either upload documents directly from your computer, or if you have a previously created template, you can use that instead. To upload, simply click on the Upload button, browse your files, and select the documents you wish to upload. Using a template can save you time, especially if you use certain forms frequently. Once you've successfully uploaded your documents, it's time to enter some crucial information. You'll need to input the name and email address of the person who will be signing the document. Additionally, you can personalize this step by adding an email subject and a custom message. After you've filled in these details, go ahead and click on Next to proceed to the following stage. This personalization can be particularly helpful if you want to provide any special instructions or context to the recipient. The next part involves placing signature fields within your document. Here, you'll encounter the Standard Fields section. This is where you can drag and drop signature fields, checking boxes, and other required fields onto the document. It's important to take your time with this step, ensuring that each field is correctly positioned and aligned. Remember, how well you place these fields can significantly impact the ease with which the recipient can sign the document. Finally, after you've meticulously placed all the necessary fields and are satisfied with the setup, you're ready to send off your document. Simply click the Send button to dispatch your document to the recipient for signing. And there you have it. Your document is now on its way, ready to be signed and completed. So, to recap, you start by clicking Start or Agreements, Start Now. Upload your documents or choose a template, enter the recipient's details with optional email subject and message, carefully place your signature fields, and then send your document on its way. Each of these easy steps is designed to streamline the process, making it quicker and more efficient for you to manage your documents on DocuSign. That's all for today's tutorial on uploading documents to DocuSign. If you found this helpful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more guides like this one. See you in the next video.